Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video I am going to show you how to delete item from queue, and that is I am going to show you using one of the action that is a part of walk queue VBO. Let me take here action stage here, double click on that, select walk queues, and then we are going to use this delete item. Now to delete any item we need item ID. So how can we get item ID? So first let me take one action stage, and then I'm going to first get all the exception data, and then only one by one that exception data I'm going to show you how to delete. So let me take work queues and select get exception items. Now enter the queue name. So queue name is available here in this environment data item, and in outputs just create one data item. So it will create one collection, and here you can see we are getting item ID. So this item ID will be using in our delete item action. Now here we'll get all the collection of exceptions as a collection of item IDs here, but we need only one item ID here to delete that. Here it is just taking as a text, not collection. So for that we need to loop through each item ID here. So for that let me take here one loop, and then double click on this loop, select exception item collection, link this, and now here in the work queues delete item, in the item ID input we can pass like this exception items dot item ID, and in output we don't have anything, so click OK. Now reset, refresh, right click, set next stage, step one by one. Now you can see here we have total 1 of 21. So we have 21 exception items available in this queue. You can see here we have 21 items that is referred, it means that is exceptions. Now we'll loop through one by one and we'll delete each exception item. So it will just delete only exception items, not completed one. But if you want to delete all the completed also, you need to get all the completed items here, and then you can loop through each items and you can delete that. Now we have just deleted one, and now it's going to delete second one. So we deleted second rows. Now I can show you here. Here we are getting 21. Now we have deleted two exception, so we'll be getting 19 here. Now you can see here we have 19 records because two records we have just now deleted. Let me delete few more. Now we have deleted 6 items. Refresh, and now you can see here we have 15 exception items available now. Earlier it was 21 items, 21 exception items, but total is 24. So by this way you can use delete item action, that is a part of walk queues VBO, and based on that you can delete item, and item can be completed or exceptions. So any item which has been marked as a completed or exception, that can be deleted manually. If you are able to delete anything, it means you can delete using that action, right? So I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.